Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you enable dark mode on Facebook in Android devices. So at first just go to your Facebook app. Now in the Facebook app, click the top right, the three dash icon. Now after clicking the three dash icon, just scroll down and here you can see settings and privacy. Just click on it. And after clicking it, click on settings. Now just scroll down and here you can see dark mode. Just click on it. Now in the top first option, here you can see on. Just click on it again. And by this you can just turn on dark mode on Facebook. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.